Hello everyone, today we're going to look at how to easily turn any object into gold. Yes, gold. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Alright, the first thing you're going to do is to select the subject. So we're going to click on the layer, click on the properties, and then select subject. But we can see that this part is not selected. Alright, so what we're going to do is to select quick selection tool, click on this plus, then add it. Alright, so after selection, what you're going to do is to mask. Now what we're going to do next is to create a curve adjustment layer. Click on layers, come right down here, click on curves. Try to create a zigzag line to add chrome effect to the object. Click on this button to limit it to the object. Now create a hue or saturation adjustment layer. Drag the saturation to left and limit it to the object. Lastly, create a color lookup adjustment layer. Limit it to the object once more and choose edgy amber. Done. This is how to easily turn any object to gold using Adobe Photoshop. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in the other videos.